Hi there, and welcome back to our channel, Vanderfultravels. Today is the day we are going to give you our tour of our 2018 Coachman Galleria. So without further ado, here she is. So here we are outside our 2018 Coachman Galleria. This is the model 24D. It sits on the Mercedes 3500 extended cab. It's a V6 3.0 liter with 108 horse and 325 torque. The wheelbase is 170 inches. It's the extended cab. We like that. With a gross weight of 11,030 pounds and interior height of 6'2", exterior width of 6'11", and exterior height of 9 feet 9 inches. The towing capacity on this is about 5,000 pounds. So as we make our way on the driver's side of the van, you can see coming up to the Truman hot water and heater exterior vent. Gina's pulling up the black, gray, and freshwater tank fill. So as we make our way around, there is our 30 amp hookup. And again, that's something that we want to get to the Li3, and we're hoping that Coachman can help us with that install. Here is the outside shower. You've got hot and cold running water, the macerator, the satellite and cable hookup, which is real nice. You have paddle boards, surfboards. Coming around the front of the van, we call her van again. Again, really super sleek. Took off the decals, the Coachman Galleria sign, and wanted to keep it as stealth as possible. Coming around the passenger side, we have a legless awning, automatic awning. Down here is our propane fill and disconnect. So when you're going across bridges or going in tunnels, you can turn it on and off. Really, really nice, really handy. To come around towards the back of the vehicle, you got two 110 plugs. Gina's put out the hubs that we're going to talk about here in a second here. Those came with the van. They're basically hubs that came over. We had trouble trying to get to the valve stem, so we took the covers off and just had the rims powder coated. I think it looks a lot more stealth. Those are basically just tin covers, so we took those off and opt for the black stealth. There's your 110 hookup on the outside, which is nice if you want to hook something up. As we come around the back of the van, these doors will open up 1/4, halfway, and then all the way, as Gina will demonstrate. Sorry, trying to do that with one hand, it's a little difficult. So Gina's going to help here. And as you can see, you can open up the door all the way so you can enjoy that fresh air. If it's a nice day, you don't have the AC running. Both doors will do the exact same thing. Very, very nice. Can open that up. We do have a bug screen in the back. We're in Florida, so you're going to get bugs. So it goes all the way down. Keep out the bugs. And then there we have our blackout screen for nighttime, so privacy shade, which is real nice. Underneath you have two storage compartments. This one here holds our 30 amp, our tool chest, and some leveling blocks. The other side has all of our wet gear, which is the external water hose and the shower hose for the outside. Real nice. We do have a tow hitch. You got a 5,000 pound towing capacity. Gina's demonstrating. We just use it as a step up. We also have a Thule bike rack, which we hook up on the back there, which is super nice to carry your bikes with you. Up on top is an investment that we made, the Honton Quiet AC. We went on Advanced RV's website and found the Quiet AC. We replaced our 13,500 BTU Dometic AC, which was so loud. It just was really super intrusive. Just couldn't hear yourself think, and that new AC is such a nice little addition. As we come back around, we're going to go ahead and go to the inside.
Hi, come on in. I want to show you some modifications that we've made to the van. First off, one of the things we did is Coachman had a TV up here. We just found we weren't using it. We just mainly watched TV when we were back in the bed or in the back part of the van. So we ended up taking this TV out, and we put some command strips so we could hang our jackets up, have them handy, hang some shopping bags or backpacks, whatever we need while we're traveling. And then we put this picture just to hide the connection that is still behind this picture. We also found that the connection that they had for this little table was very hard to get perfect. It took a lot of tries to get it connected. So we put in this new flange with the post on this table. This is mainly where we eat our dinner. Of course, these two chairs turn around so that you can eat and sit down, have a beverage, watch somebody, whoever's cooking. Another thing that we did was this refrigerator that has plenty of room for us. We can have all of our food, our prep meals, things for our traveling. Nice space on the freezer so that we can have some chicken or fish or whatever that we might need. Shout out to our handyman. He actually changed the front of this refrigerator to a piece of galvanized sheet metal. His name is Pete, and he did some other modifications in the van that we'll show you, but this is a piece of galvanized sheet metal that he painted and slipped in. That way we can have magnets. We like to get a little souvenir when we travel. Here's one from Key West, but it makes it really handy, and it's so attractive. We have this little utility drawer here with organized with all the things that we need for the van, cords and things. This induction stovetop is what we use to do our cooking. We end up doing one-pot meals, which when we travel some of the farms in the near future, we'll show you how we do that. But this is just the perfect size for us. We thought that one would not be enough, but it is absolutely plenty for us. We also have a tower that we can charge our cell phones at night, and two plugs where we can charge up the laptop, or we can charge other things that we have. Also, we can have a little fan or a heater if needed. We have, when we're cooking, we use these awning style windows, so it keeps the rain out if it is actually raining, but it can help draw the smoke and steam out from cooking as things heat up in the kitchen. Above us, we have our command center. This is everything that we need to make sure that everything's up to point. Here's our solar power. Here's the generator. It shows how many hours. This is shows us our levels of our gray tank and our batteries, our fresh water, so we know when we need to drain and how everything is working on that. Over here is the Truma water system, Truma hot water heater and Truma heater for the inside the van. We're going to do another video on that in just a little bit to show how that works, because we find that there's a lot of question on how to make that work. So we're going to do a video to explain. And we have up here, we have another storage. Some of the vans, they're taking this out and just having the bulkhead, but we like this. I know we bump our head on it, but we learn.
You learn not to.
We learn not to do that, exactly. But we can put our blankets, purses, other information that we need for the van up here. Notice the soft close hinges on all of the cabinetry. The cabinetry is solid wood, nice with a nice curve, gives a little more space inside the cabinet. Here, plenty of storage for our dry goods, and our here's our fan and our little heater. Coffee, we have to have our coffee press, dishes that we need. Another thing that we like is this long cabinet that we have, this long countertop. The reason why we chose this model is because we enjoy cooking and we enjoy the prep work that we have available on this countertop. We also have our microwave convection oven that we use for storage and for cooking. We also, and underneath that is where we have some storage for pots and pans that we have. Over here we have another storage for spoons and forks. Here's some other cooking utensils that we have. And then another one where we have the lids for the pots and some towels, some cooking wrap. One of our favorite modifications that Pete did for us was we had the Dometic sink that had the flip top on it and where the nozzle would switch up and down. And we just found that was too small for what we do, because we do a lot of cooking and cleaning in the van. So we bought this sink, and the opening was the perfect size, so Pete just popped that underneath and put in this for us, and it's perfect. Here's our garbage can, and we have some other cleaning, our gloves, some other cleaning products that we need for the van. Over here is our wet bath that has the shower. See, the shower connects up like and holds, so you can finish your shower. You can have hands-free to wash your hair and wash your body. And also we have the China bowl toilet with the black tank and macerator. Another modification we did was we put this clothes rack so we can have some hanging items. We found these perfect length hangers on Amazon. We took out the shelves, and this is where we keep our rings and watches, things, some little soap pods when we have a washing machine, laundry hamper. We put in a mirror so that we could dress. Another thing we did as a modification is with this Vizio TV, we changed it out to a smart TV so that we have our apps. We have Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video. So we don't have to use an external device and cast things up from our phone. It just seems to work perfectly for us. We also have a Blu-ray player up here with videos, so if we want to watch a movie on that, we can. And all this other storage that we have for linens and our clothes, we just find that we have ample space for storage in the van. We never run out of space. In fact, when we do a trip, most of the time we have extra space that has nothing in it. Here's another, we keep our bath towels in it. Now, this was a great project that we did in modifying we put it in the legume table. We took out the flange that was back here to move the front table to the back, and we put in the lagoon with this tabletop that Michael did a great job. This is a piece of birch plywood, and we laminated, and we polyurethaned a piece of a map over it. It gives it we love that. We love to sit here and look at the different countries in the United States. We just love this, and it spins around so we can eat or work, or it'll spin right out of the way.
So a nice thing about the 24D is Comes with the optional 2 twin beds if you want to leave it as 2 twins, or you can convert it, and we'll show you how to convert the table. That table goes actually in this space where Gina's standing, and it will act as the boards to put down these pads to make this into a king bed, so it's super, super comfortable back here. There's lots of lights and switches in the front and the back. There's a reading light, there's full stereo all the way around, and then here is the inside of our Hoington AC unit, quiet AC, and we'll show you on another video how that works. And it's really a step up from the Dometic. Dometic, like I said before, is super, super loud. This thing is just whisper quiet. At nighttime you can hardly even hear it. It's really, really super efficient, and we just love it. So as you're in the back of the van and you're eating and you want to enjoy a movie or something, you can actually hear it. So we really love the van. So we look forward to more videos, and want to make sure that you guys definitely subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to hear your comments too about the van and what other things you'd like to see. The upcoming van tour that we're going to have next is going to be at a farm, Brick Street Farm in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're really looking forward to showing you the really cool stuff that they have. So until next time, see you later.